you can open the picture and show them. What's that? Crown. Corona po. Yung picture na na-pick ni contender number 7. So, what can you say about the crown? Okay, a crown. A crown symbolizes superiority. Everyone are entitled to have their own crown by their own little way in order for them to be remarkable in their individualities. For me, crown is the best thing that you will have in order for you to gain respect from other people. But of course, if you want to gain respect, you should respect yourself first. And second, the crown that I'm truly proud, and I'm sure I will take it tonight to home. That's my mother. Thank you. Judges, finalist number 1, contender number 7 is Mark Evangelista. Oo nga naman, may kanya tayo mga corona. Kung yung patay niya may corona, ayaw ka na, di ba? Thank you so much, Ms. Mark Evangelista. Moving on to our next finalist. Finalist number 2, contemporary number 5, Ms. Rian Ramos. Hello, Ms. Rian. Hello. Ano kayang picture ang napili ni Ms. Rian Ramos? Oh my. Or the former President of the Philippines, Cory Aquino. So what can you say about our former President, Madam Cory Aquino?
Para po sa akin, para po sa akin, siya po ang dating presidente natin. Bumaban bilang para sa kababaihan. Kung ano ang magagawa ng kalalakihan, ay magagawa rin ng kababaihan. Thank you.
Judges, finalist number 2, contender number 5, Ms. Rian Ramos. And she picked the picture of the former President, Madam Cory Aquino. And now let's call in our finalist number 3, contemporary number 2, Ms. Grace Bernal. Hello, Ms. Grace Bernal. How are you? We're fine. So pick a picture. Ano naman ang message mo sa mga taga-Valdez?
Just enjoy the night.
Just enjoy the night. And you picked picture po siya ng isang diamond. Okay, so ano naman ang masasabi mo sa isang diamond?
As we all know, diamonds are very rare and expensive. In my case, I can be also expensive by respecting myself, doing nothing wrong that can stoop down my personality.
Thank you so much. Finalist number 3, contender number 2, Chris Bernal. And finally, we have finalist number 4, our contender number 1, Carla Eliana. Miss Carla, what is your message to all the people of Valdez?
Well, I would like to second the following. My friends out there, thank you for supporting me.
Alam naman, ang dami-dami ng sasalamatan. Anyway, so you picked a picture of a butterfly. Butterfly po, yung So what can you say about the butterfly?
This butterfly for me symbolizes my beautiful white mom. Because the need to express yourself is of paramount importance. Being a mother, the self-efficacy of the child should be strictly observed in manners. In this regard, overconfidence may be implemented to the strategies of improving prejudging a child's capacity to promote premature assessment of oneself. Because the love is so black, ladies and gentlemen, is more required than the people. Thank you.
Thank you so much, finalist number 4, contender number 1, Carla Villian. Question and answer portion of our 4 finalists. And now let's take a last look of our 4 finalists. Let's start with contender number 7, our finalist number 1, Miss R. Evangelista. Finalist number 2, contender number 5, Rina Ramos. Finalist number 3, contender number 2, Chris Bernal. And finally, we have finalist number 4, contender number 1, Carla Avilian. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our 4 finalists. Let's give them a big round of applause.